Back in that thing, feel me, with another video. Right, you know what I'm saying? By that title, y'all see, trying to Chick Fil A versus Popeyes.
What you
you do.
which one you think you gonna like?
I think I might like the Popeyes.
Why?
I don't know. Everybody make it seem like it's so much better. I don't know. We're gonna see.
Finally, we get to try this Chick Fil A versus Popeyes chicken sandwich. Finally, from the looks of it, this chicken sandwich is a little bit messy.
Popeyes chicken sandwich way bigger.
It is bigger,
Way bigger. Y'all ready?
as you can see.
So which one you want to try first?
You wanna try Popeyes first?
Yeah.
Which one you wanna try first?
Just try Popeyes.
Well, first of all, we gotta let them know we had to split the Chick Fil A sandwich because we only got one of those instead of two. And the Chick Fil A sandwich looks pretty dry. It's just a regular Chick Fil A sandwich with just a pickle on it. Nothing special. You ready to eat already?
Yeah. You ready?
You gonna explain how? And the Popeyes sandwich, as you can see, is all greasy. This bun.
That's too much sauce.
It has so much sauce on it.
Oh! Ew!
I guess it's some kind of spicy sauce that they have. And from the looks of it, I don't know any kind of. This chicken look kind of white and not so crispy. I don't know if y'all can see.
Like
You
on
see
the
how
commercials
that?
and stuff, it look like it.
Yeah, it's not dark, so I don't know if they didn't fry it hard enough or what. But let's get into it, because you look like you.
Ready?
Alright, so, alright.
3.
I don't see no pickles on mine, though.
Pickles.
It's supposed to have pickles. See, they did me wrong. Ain't no pickles on it. What about yours?
No.
See, they did us wrong already. Okay, alright, let's get into it.
Oh no.
The dish smart for the neighborhood.
All I taste is sauce. It's so spicy. It's really spicy.
Ain't good. Like did something with this
The
one.
bun is it's not sweet, but hungry.
It's good now.
It is juicier.
Yeah.
Versus-
Oh yeah, you gotta explain your stuff.
Versus Chick Fil A.
Let's see.
Chick Fil A is very dry and thin. I love Chick Fil A. Yeah, I
too,
have it.
me too.
Okay, so. It's very dry. I think we should have got the
You know, Chick Fil A got spicy
Chick Fil
too.
A, the deluxe. That really would have been like a really good comparison, but
Hold on. Man.
I think I'm going back to the Popeyes sandwich. It is pretty good, but this sauce is really spicy. You know what? We need to get a thumbnail.
Alright, you wanna do?
Let's go. Here we go.
Well, you gotta get both done.
Both? We already done bit off of both of them. Hold on.
You gotta do it
I
like
gotta
this.
grab it right.
Yeah. Alright.
I do really
You know what
like
I'm saying?
this.
I might want to try this with some
But
sauce.
you know what? I'm very disappointed that they didn't put the pickles on there because I really was looking forward to trying that. But they say it's like a gourmet pickle.
Mm-hmm.
But so Which one is your favorite? That spicy sauce is kind of
Try that one more time.
salty, almost. Ketchup?
You don't do this? Am I the only one that did ketchup? Yeah.
Give me some honey roasted barbecue sauce from Chick Fil A or their Polynesian. Goes great. But this I think I'm leaning more towards the
Popeye. It's kind of hard
Wipe
to
your
decide
mouth.
though.
Yeah. It's not hard to decide because
Kinda.
this chicken sandwich is just chicken and pickles. No sauce. Like I said, I think we had got the spicy deluxe.
Excuse me.
But this chicken here is much bigger. The bun is better. The sauce, oh my God, it's really spicy.
I'm gonna go with that Popeye. Chick Fil A still good though.
Would I get it again? I would. But like you said, Chick Fil A is my spot.
Chick Fil A like you can eat that on a daily.
I
Like
go
you
there
can eat
daily,
So you
but
can
for
eat this
breakfast
like,
though.
like every now and then.
Yeah, it's like too much. Yeah. They still don't have anything on Chick Fil A. Next time we'll do the comparison of the Popeye sandwich and the
Spicy deluxe.
spicy deluxe. And hopefully you won't leave my pickles off next time.
Next time, don't eat no. I feel like that's gonna make the whole thing.
Yeah, because they said it's like a gourmet pickle or whatever. I haven't even touched this chicken fillet sandwich since. Let me try some ketchup because it is kind of dry.
No, man.
Yeah.
Big boy gonna let you know.
So, what's your favorite again?
Nah, I had to switch it up with Chick Fil A though.
This Chick Fil A sandwich is really kind of stiff and dry. So you going with Chick Fil A?
It's hard for me. to
Why?
decide. It's like this one good,
But
but this one like you can eat more. It's like this kind of get full off real fast.
you really?
Me really.
No. I don't believe that. It does taste a little better with the ketchup.
I put her on.
Because it's so dry. Right now, I'm leaning towards well, not Chick-fil-A, but Popeyes. And I think it's only because it's just the regular Chick-fil-A sandwich and not the deluxe. Yeah, we need something to drink.
Show y'all all this sauce.
Too much sauce.
It's like they got two of the same buns on one thing.
Yours is.
So it is. I thought I was tripping.
You got two, yes.
Two of the same
So you don't
bun.
you got two top buns. You don't have a bottom bun. They did you wrong. See?
Then you got the bottom.
That's a bottom bun.
Wow. They be rushing.
Yeah. As y'all can see, we have a Zaxby's cup. The hoodie went to Zaxby's.
They went everywhere.
So we went to Zaxby's, Chick Fil A, and Popeyes tonight.
Kind of want to say that Chick Fil A for life, but this how much I got.
I don't believe you like Chick Fil A better than Popeyes.
I do.
Really? All right. I think I like it too because of the sauce.
What?
This sandwich is really dry.
Only reason
But I'm gonna forever be
it's too much sauce.
Chick Fil A. Too much sauce.
For me,
You're not a sauce person, but you dipping that into ketchup.
I like ketchup. You know, I'm in love with ketchup.
True. That is true. That sounds kind of salty. To be honest though, it's not what I thought it would be.
I thought it was gonna be like.
And I don't know if it's because they left the pickles off of it or I don't know. It's not what I thought it would be. I'm gonna stick with Chick Fil A. Spicy deluxe. You can't go wrong.
Nah. Next time we're gonna have to do spicy deluxe versus the original Popeyes. Then that'll be see which one we're in for real.
We can do that. Alright guys, so I was a little thirsty. Okay, so overall, I'm gonna forever be a Chick Fil A girl. Original or spicy deluxe. This Popeyes chicken, I would get it again, but like I said, they did me wrong this round. Didn't have the pickles on there, so I didn't really get the full effect about it. And it's really messy. But it is bigger and a little bit more juicy. I didn't have that crispy crunch because I guess because they have so much sauce on it. So it's not really crispy to me. But overall, it's good. But
Hold on.
I'm gonna stick with Chick Fil A. So, your thoughts?
Well, see. Well, when I started thinking about it, you know, you had the you ever had the chicken tenders, the Popeye chicken tenders? You never had the chicken tenders? Yeah. They used the same batter for this. So before I got it, I started thinking, I was like, this might be the same batter though, because at first I was thinking it was gonna be crunchy and it was gonna taste a little bit different from the batter that they used for the chicken tenders. But it tastes the same batter, and it's like too much sauce. Like I can't eat all that sauce. The only sauce I can really eat is ketchup.
So you're gonna go with overall
Chick Fil A.
Chick Fil A. So Chick Fil A wins. All right now.
Spicy.
It's very spicy. That sauce is very spicy. And I don't know if because they piled it on there, so it has like a really, really kick to it. But it's really spicy. It is. Alright guys, well, I'm still trying to finish this sandwich.
She's trying to finish her Chick Fil A.
I'm a slow eater, and this is pretty fast for me. So,
It really is.
we're gonna end the video here.
And Mama back on.
Thank y'all for tuning in. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to this video. subscribe to his channel. I have the link to it in my description below. So until next time, guys, peace.